Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, then this is one of the best times that you can grab this deal. Currently on Flipkart.com, this tablet is available at a discounted price, and if you have card, in that case you can grab the deal at around 41,723 rupees if you have Punjab National Bank credit card. So I think this is one of the best deals, and if you don't have credit card, in that case also you can buy this at around 43,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus is a great device for multimedia consumption. You can thoroughly enjoy your multimedia contents on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime or many other OTT platforms. Also, it will have a great refresh rate and scrolling through apps will be very easy, and there will be no problem in terms of multitasking. Actually, the processor of this tablet is mediocre. It comes with Exynos 1580 processor. So you cannot expect high-end performance from this tablet. If you want high-end performance in terms of video editing, video rendering, in that case you can consider iPad 11th generation, or even you can buy iPad Air M3 at 42 to 43,000 rupees during discounts. But using InShot video editing app, you can edit your videos. Casual video editing can be done on this tablet easily. Also, this tablet comes with S Pen in the box, so using S Pen you can do a lot of creativity tasks on this tablet. I have made many videos on note-taking experience on Samsung tablet, so if you are interested to watch those videos, you can search in the playlist and you will find out those videos. So in the conclusion, if you are looking to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case this is the best time for you to buy this tablet, because normally the price of this tablet is above 50,000 rupees. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet right now or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.